Here's how to remove viruses or malware from your iPhone. It's rare for iPhones to get viruses because of Apple's built-in security, but malware can still appear if you've installed apps from outside the App Store or used a jailbroken device. First, update your iPhone. Open Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version of iOS to apply the newest security fixes. Next, delete any apps you don't recognize or no longer use. Press and hold the app icon. Tap Remove App, then Delete App. After that, clear your Safari data. Go to Settings, Apps, and then Safari. Now, tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose All History and Confirm. You should also check the Files app, especially the Downloads folder. Delete any files you don't recognize or no longer need. If the problem continues, the most effective solution is a factory reset. Before doing this, back up anything important. Then go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, iPhone, Erase all content and settings. Follow the prompts to erase your device and set it up as new. That's all for this video. Thanks.